Bernadette Fatima Texan Romulo Payat, born May 14, 1971, is a Filipino government official, economist, and academic who served as the Secretary of Tourism under the Duterte administration from May 2018 to June 2022, heading the Philippines' tourism industry through the disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic in the Philippines. She has since been appointed Deputy Governor of the Bangko Sentral NG Pilipinas in charge of financial inclusion, regional operations, and the BSP's Program Management Office. Her previous positions include terms as a consultant for the Presidential Management Staff, Undersecretary for the Department of Agriculture, and lecturer at the UP School of Economics. Bernadette Romulo Payat is the fourth amongst the 5 children of Filipino politician and diplomat Alberto Romulo and Lovely Texan. She attended the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and pursued an undergraduate and a master's degree in economics. She once aspired to become like her mother, but later on, considering her exposure and familiarity to politics at early age, she ended up joining the Philippine political scene. Romulo Payat was an instructor at the UP School of Economics. After a career in academia, she joined politics in 2004 by attempting to become the first district representative of Quezon City. However, she lost the elections to Vincent Crisologo by 2,000 votes, with Payat readily conceding Crisologo's victory and deciding to thereafter spend more time with her family instead. Her brief political experience made her more aware of the conditions of the people affected by poverty. As a result, she put up Batika NG Bayan People's Pharmacy across some areas in Metro Manila to provide affordable medicines or generic drugs. Secretary of Tourism, following the resignation of Wanda Teo due to her alleged involvement with issues surrounding a Philippine peso 60 million tourism advertisement placement on People's Television Network, PTV. Bernadette Romulo Payat was appointed by President Rodrigo Duterte as Secretary of the Department of Tourism. On May 11, 2018. Romulo Payat announced her plan to give farm tourism a focus and also made review on the Philippines' possible hosting of the Miss Universe 2018 pageant, which her predecessor was involved in. Romulo Payat dropped the Philippines hosting bid due to budgetary concerns. In her first month as Secretary of Tourism, Romulo Payat alleged that corruption was rampant in the DOT, claiming the existence of schemes involving hundreds of millions of funds within the government agency. She ordered the suspension of all projects of the DOT pending review from the Commission on Audit. She also directed all undersecretaries and assistant secretaries, including Cesar Montano and Cot de Castro, to submit their courtesy resignations except for Undersecretary Bong Bangzon. Personal life, Romulo Payat was married to David Payat, a lawyer, until his death in 2010. She has 2 children. Romulo Payat began dating politician Charlie Cojuangco in 2016, though they eventually separated sometime before 2020. Although rumors persisted that she had dated Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte during her tenure as Agriculture Undersecretary. Duterte denied the allegation in 2018, stating that she was simply his good friend from working with each other in government. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.